everyone, welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. Today I'm super excited because we're back with more storage. I know one of your favorite topics, and Scrapbook.com sent me some things. I'd looked at their website and they've released a ton of new storage, and I was emailing them and I said, well, could we try some of it out? And I absolutely love lots of it, and I want to show you some ideas, kind of outside of the box ideas for using it. And you may find all of these tips really useful in your craft room as well. I know I'm going to when I start filling them up. So I've tried out a few different things that I'm going to share with you. And the first thing is these Dauber cases. So you can see they're clear, which is really nice because we can see what's inside of them. You can also, of course, label up. They have 40 slots inside, and they fit either their sponge Daubers, like this, or they fit their clear stackable Daubers, like this. So you can store either of these in here. And you could maybe have a set for your Scrapbook.com hybrid inks. You could get 3 of these and have enough for 1 Dauber for every oxide and every distress ink you have. And just a reminder, you want a different Dauber for distress ink versus distress oxide. Those oxide Daubers will contaminate your original distress ink pads. So I suggest having 1 for each. And then you have room on the bottom as well for either a small sticker, or you could print something out. I've seen lots of downloads online as to what color goes where, and then you could stick it on, and then through here you'd be able to see exactly what you want to put on. So again, a really nice option, and you can see they're a nice small footprint too. They're not very big, but you could have lots of these for all your different ink sets. And of course, being contained like this, you can see I can shake and everything. The Daubers don't come out. They're not going to contaminate each other with color. Again, something else I like. And this, of course, would just fit in my drawer with those inks, and then I'm ready to go. So that's another fun idea for you. Now, the other things they sent me are a little bit bigger. You can see they're like this kind of size, and these are their clear craft storage boxes. So again, they're clear so you can see what's inside. You have the large storage box, which I will probably empty these out because these fit really nicely in my Alex drawers, and then I'll use this as another storage container. So you can do that, or of course it perfectly fits all of your little smaller containers in here. Oops. And these small containers have little clips on here, nice and easy to open, and they open up like this. They're about, I don't know, maybe an inch deep. And one thing I really like about this size is it would be perfect for either cardstock and or scrap storage. So all of my pieces cut down to card front size, you could store in here. So you could have all your blues in one, or your neutrals in another, or your greens in another, and so on and so on. And then anytime you have a scrap, you could also pop it in here, or just have one of these for your scraps. This could be your scrap box, and again, you could have a neutrals, a blues, or greens, etc. So I really like both of those ideas for storing these. They're 5x7 inside, so you could also store photos and things in there. And then the box at the top has a nice clip, so it's nice and secure. There's a smaller version that inside, again, you could store paper pads if you wanted to take these out. It's let me see, it was 8x7, and the other one is 8x8, so you have lots of room. These are 4x6, they just have 1 clip in the middle. But imagine you buy a lot of card making kits or scrapbooking kits, Project Life, all of them are going to fit really nicely in here. So I've seen a lot of people, I follow Victoria Marie, she's a good friend of mine. She takes her embellishments and puts them for kits in something like this. And then of course you could label it up, and you could label your photos if you wanted to. You can also fit things like your ideology embellishments in here, stickers, all of those things, and have them separated out either by brand, by occasion, by project. Lots and lots of different ideas for you on that one. And again, this one clips shut. Then you also have a larger version of those small cases. So it has a handle, so you can carry it on the go if you maybe go to a crop or something. And then this top handle, it looks like a handle, but it's not. It's actually your clip to open it up. And inside, look, you have lots and lots of storage containers. You've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 in this one. And again, it has a divider in the middle, and it has interim dividers too. So if I take this out, you can see you've got little slots in here. So again, you could use this separately for other fun storage too, and nothing's going to go together. Nothing's going to move around when you're going to a crop or on the go. Really love these. As I say, you can store so many things in them. You could put embellishments, Project Life, projects when you're working on a card, because card fronts fit in there. Your scraps would fit in there. Stickers, loads and loads of options. So you can try that one out. And the other thing they sent me, which I love, and I'm going to be using these a lot. So you've seen, I go to Raleigh to TV segments. I'm off to Denver to do a TV segment. These are really great because when I go to these TV segments, or PBS even, everything has to be packaged together. You've got to be super organized. And if you're going to a crop, or maybe you like to keep your projects packaged together, these are perfect. I'm going to be investing in quite a few of these to take with me. It has this expandable handle over here, which is nice too, and it's nice and sturdy. It also has this twist design. So you twist, open, and then inside you can see here it's got this little envelope for your embellishments. It also has a little clasp on it, so again, you know, all your little extras can sit in here, and the envelope has little like V's in the side, so it's expandable. Everything fits in here. It's 12 by 12 size, well, it's actually 13 by 13, and it's 1.5 inches deep. And then when you close it, don't close it like this. You want to close it flat down, and then you can turn it really easily, and it goes in nicely. So really sturdy, as I say, and these are going to fit in my suitcase. I can take them on sets with me, and everything for my one project or my one segment will be in here really nicely organized. But I don't tend to have anything bigger than 12 by 12. So again, perfect size. So lots of fun new storage things for us. I'll add links in the description below, but I really think when you look at storage, think outside of the box. I have a whole storage playlist I'm going to link up for you, and you can go check that out as well. Don't forget, of course, to hit subscribe, join, all those things while you're here, and check out those links. But I love the fact that you've got all of these inside, plus of course you can use the outside one if you don't want to store everything in there. But maybe you put all your Christmas embellishments in here by manufacturer, and then you could label this box Christmas, and so on and so on. And the 8x8, or you could put 6x6 pads in the big box too. So really versatile. I hope you enjoyed today's storage options. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you again very soon for more storage tips, tricks, all sorts of fun things. I'll see you soon. Happy crafting, everyone. Bye.